What's up?
Take it off of safety.
Okay.
We're trying to see if it can go through this right here. Come on.
Okay.
How strong this thing is. Let's see. Oh, it didn't go through.
Come on, guys. Let's go look.
It didn't go through. It didn't go through. It just dented it. It dented it right here. Yeah, it didn't go through.
Almost went through.
Try again. Try again.
Yeah, let's try again.
Try again.
Break the glass.
Oh, cool. See if you can hit it, though. Can you hit it?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can hit it. Aim.
Break some glass. You might want to back up, guys.
Let's see if you can hit it. Hit it, Kobe. Oh!
Whoa!
That's a good shot. Yeah, you popped it. Right there, you broke it. Okay.
Hope you guys like that. This should really make you subscribe, right?
Get another glass. Sit down, another glass.
Sorry for being scared. We're in the country. You never know what.
Might be a snake in there.
Yeah. So.
The world's most deadliest in America.
I know. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool to stand.
Kobe, don't do that because you're getting your feet dusty. Get that right there, Kobe. Cool. Put it right there.
Hot. All right, off for safety. Now.
Pop it. Go. Did you pop it?
Yeah, look.
Hit it again. Try to break it all the way down, Kobe.
All the way?
Yeah, try to break it out till it falls completely. Aim. Ooh.
I can shoot that again.
That's it. Look at it.
You see that, guys? Deadly. I am a deadly aimer.
This is what Black Ops do to you, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, this is Black Ops. This is
what Black Ops do to you. Let's see if you can shoot a hole in the tire.
Smart idea.
It's already low.
Wait. See if you can shoot through this. Then the tire. Because I know I got about maybe 3 more bullets left. So, let's shoot that. Whoa!
Did it go through?
I know something with you. Okay, let's try the tire now.
It bounced back and hit you, huh?
Well, we just got another bullet back.
It bounced back and hit you. It don't go through tires, y'all. It bounced back and hit them.
Hey, come here.
No, it went, but it bounced back and hit you. It didn't go through.
Where's that thing at that I just saw? Oh, okay, good. Oh!
Don't aim that way. Put it that way. Yeah. Shoot that way. Not even that way. This way. Get off and shoot that way.
No, I'm looking for my can.
No, that's good. That's good. And you can shoot that way.
Alright, guys. This is me playing Black Ops 2. Have the TAC 45, and I'm shooting at my partner right now.
Okay. See if you can get it. It's a fly.
I'm going to try it without 2 hands.
Okay, go. Ooh! It was something in that can.
Whoa!
Okay, that's it.